In today's metal industry, product quality isn't just a checkbox. It's a competitive edge. When a single defective bar or tube can cause downtime, rework, or system failures, quality control becomes mission critical. At EddyWise, we believe that smarter, faster, and fully traceable quality assurance isn't the future. It's the now. Our intelligent inspection systems use advanced Eddy Current technology to deliver real-time defect detection, ensuring every bar and tube meets the highest standard before it ever leaves your line. Reduce waste, prevent failure, guarantee performance. With automated sorting, defect marking, and MS-connected reporting, you gain full control to continuously improve. EddyWise, quality you can trust, traceability you can prove. Want to learn how our NDT solutions can improve your production line? Reach out to our team for a custom consultation or technical inquiry. EddyWise, innovative NDE solutions.